Yo, Daniel, this one's for you, bro. Here's your mower. We gotta run it. All right, man, take her easy.